Stand up a little, stretch.
Any stretching?
Stretch a little, hug the person next to you. You don't have to do
Good
that.
hug break. Make some friends.
I want to take a little break. We have lots more to show you, but I want to take a little break, and I want to call out to our friends and colleagues on the Google Web Toolkit team. So, thank you. Thank you. So, Google Wave is 100% built with the Google Web Toolkit from the first line of code we wrote in a prototype back in early 2007. And as I'm sure you know, the Google Web Toolkit lets you write HTML5 applications in Java. And then GWT, as we call it, automatically translates that into HTML, JavaScript, CSS, all of those things that then run in all of the modern browsers. And I think that we couldn't possibly have built something this rich without the Google Web Toolkit. In fact, I don't think we would even have thought to do that. I think using modern tools like this changes your way of thinking. When I was still hand-rolling JavaScript for Google Maps, I found too much of my brain cycles were used worrying about the constraints of programming in a scripting language in a browser. But by using GWT, I get to write in Java and have these amazing set of tools that come with writing in Java. And we found that our programmers can now spend most of their time thinking about the amazing potential of the web. And by the way, this is both if you're on a desktop or if you're on a mobile device. When I showed you on the Android and iPhone here, Wave was running in the browser in both of those phones. GWT makes that fairly easy to do. It's actually the same code that runs in those mobile devices. It's just a different layout. We estimate that the extra requirement of serving this both into desktop browsers and mobile browsers only adds about 5% extra engineering effort, which I find remarkable. Okay.
And that graph from yesterday.
Pardon me? Oh, the graph from yesterday, did you see that? How we built 1.4 megs of code and then all of a sudden it went down to 200K? We like GWT for that.
All right.